guys. Today I have my grumpy sister here. So all we need today is cocoa powder and condensed milk. We will start by heating up the condensed milk. Put it on medium flame. Cook it until you see bubbles. So my classes have started, they will start tomorrow. So I just wanted to treat myself by a nice sweet before taking my class again. I hope you've seen the text below. Now we'll have to mix well. Let's put more cocoa powder. Is my sister doing a great job? One last time, we'll put cocoa powder. You gotta have some muscles to mix this. Mix it until it's hard and stiff. Not that hard. Now I will put my mixture in a square dish. Now make it smooth. Press it down. Wear gloves for this process if you don't want to get dirty. Put plastic wrap on top of the batter. Now let's put it in the refrigerator. Good morning. Put some cocoa powder. Take out your batter. It's not a batter anymore. It's more like a cake. Now cut it into squares. Put some cocoa powder on top. Shape them into perfect squares. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.